And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this model P73 smartwatch. This is the box that it comes in here. We have a little P73 black logo on the sticker here. And outside of that, let's undo this and take a look at it. And slide this out of here. Wow, very nice. So let's start with the accessories here. So in here we have a little USB to proprietary connector. This would charge up the watch, of course. And oh wow, there's actually two of those. That's pretty nice. They give you two of these. Good for if you lose one, or also good for keeping one in your car, one at your house. And that's it for in there. They also give you a extra little strap just in case you don't like the camouflage one. Then we have the watch. We have, look at that, wow, a very long instruction guide. That should tell you everything you need to know. And then there's also something else there. Two more guides here. Wow, so everything you need to know is in these instructions. These are some extensive instructions. Very, very nice. Now, this is the actual smartwatch itself. So you can see it has like sensors on the bottom for heart rate tracking and all of that fun stuff. Nice little rubbery straps for the watch. And if I peel this off, you can get a look at that screen. Pretty nice screen. Two buttons on this side, no buttons over on this side or anything else. Let's see if we get any power out of the box. Oh, look at that, we do. Messages, settings. Wow, it's actually, I mean, that's pretty smooth. Wow, but yeah, I mean, this is smooth and responsive. I'm very surprised at how actually smooth this is. Like, settings, goes right into settings, preferences, brightness, adaptive brightness, go back, time format. There we go. Wow, not bad from what I'm seeing in terms of response and stuff like that. That is essentially a little unboxing. Whoa, there's whack-a-mole game. A little unboxing of this smartwatch. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send me this P73 smartwatch. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.